Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Windows 8.1 in 2023. Despite being released back in 2013, Windows 8.1 is still a popular choice for some users due to its performance and compatibility with older software. In this video, we'll go through the steps to install Windows 8.1 on a brand new system or upgrade from an older version of Windows. So let's get started. The first step is to download the Windows 8.1 installation media from Microsoft's website. You'll need a valid product key to activate the operating system, so make sure you have one handy before you begin. The links will be in the description. Once you've downloaded the installation media, you'll need to create a bootable USB drive. This will allow you to boot your computer from the installation media and begin the installation process. One popular tool for creating bootable USB drives is Rufus. To create a bootable USB drive using Rufus, first download and install the software from their website. Then, insert your USB drive into your computer and launch Rufus. In Rufus, select your USB drive from the Device drop-down menu. Next, select the Windows 8.1 ISO file you downloaded earlier by clicking the Select button next to Boot selection. Make sure that the partition scheme is set to MBR and file system is set to NTFS. You can also change the volume label to something more descriptive if you'd like. Finally, click the Start button to begin the process of creating the bootable USB drive. Once it's finished, you'll have a USB drive that you can use to install Windows 8.1. Next, you'll need to boot your computer from the bootable USB drive. To do this, restart your computer and press the key that takes you to the boot menu. This varies depending on your computer, but the key is usually F12 or Delegate. Select the bootable USB drive from the list and press Enter. Once you've booted from the installation media, you'll be presented with the Windows 8.1 installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language, time and currency format, and keyboard or input method. Next, enter your product key when prompted. You'll then be asked to select the installation type. If you're installing Windows 8.1 on a new system, select the Custom Installation option. If you're upgrading from an older version of Windows, select the Upgrade option. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to select the installation location. Create a user account, and configure Windows 8.1 to your liking. Once Windows 8.1 is installed, you'll need to install drivers and any necessary software. This will ensure that your computer is running smoothly and all components are working correctly. You can find drivers and software on the manufacturer's website or using third-party software. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 8.1 on your computer using Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. If you have any questions or run into any issues, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.